This video will walk through setting up sprints on the project level. In previous videos, we've showed you how to access the sprints homepage using the drop-down menu or the home screen. And you can add sprints by going to the Not Active column and using the plus button. Our sprints are laid out in a Kanban board, not active, active, or closed. But I can also access sprints or even create a sprint from the project level. If I go into a specific project, I can go to Views and I'll see Sprints on the Views menu, and I can click on Views to get to the sprints for that project. If you don't see sprints in the Views menu, you need to install the Sprints add-on or check your add-ons in the add-on menu. Go to Projects and Tasks. Once you get to Projects and Tasks, click Configure, and then make sure you have the Sprints view toggled on in the Views menu that you want to show in your project. So back to the Sprints menu for Project Dewdrop. Obviously, the Sprint menu looks the same as it does from the Sprints homepage too. So on the project level, you still see Not Active, Active, and Closed. And if you want to make a new sprint, you're going to click on the plus button in the Not Active column. Every sprint begins in Not Active state. The only difference for the sprints on the project level is that those project level sprints only have tasks, that are part of that one singular project. So you won't see anything from another project. If you want more information on how to add a sprint, go back to our help knowledge base and type adding a sprint, and you'll get the documentation for how to add right from the Not Active menu, either on a project or from the Sprints menu itself.